Ever wondered what named functions in JavaScript are and why they're so significant? Well, today we delve into the intricate world of JavaScript functions. Named functions, to be precise. Imagine you're a detective trying to solve a mystery. Named functions in JavaScript are like the clues to your case. They're functions declared with a specific name. You create them using the function keyword followed by the name of the function. Sounds simple, right? But there's more to it than just that. Let's start with function declarations. It's like declaring your intentions to solve the case. In JavaScript, the function name is declared as a variable in the current scope. For instance, consider this code, function add a b. Here you've declared a function named add. You can call this function using its name. For example, you could write console.log add 23, and the output would be 5. Moving on to function expressions, where things get a bit more interesting. Function expressions involve assigning a function to a variable. Even in this scenario, the function can have a name. Take a look at this example. var multiply = function multiply ab. Here, the function is called using the variable name. So, console.log multiply 23 would output 6. Now you may ask, why even bother with named functions? Well, they come with some compelling benefits. Firstly, they provide a meaningful name to the function, which improves code readability and maintainability. Secondly, they can be called recursively within their own scope. Lastly, they facilitate debugging. The name of the function appears in stack traces, making it easier to trace back where an error occurred. But remember, function expressions with names are optional. You can have anonymous function expressions. For example, var greet = function name, bah. Here, the function is anonymous as it doesn't have a name. Named functions come in handy when you need to reference the function within its own body, or when you want more descriptive stack traces for debugging purposes. So there you have it, a detailed yet simplified explanation of named functions in JavaScript. From function declarations to function expressions, we've covered it all. Remember, just like a good detective, a good programmer also knows the importance of each function and how to use it effectively. Until next time, keep coding.